Hello and welcome to today's tutorial where we debunk Forex myth number 2, diversification reduces risk. This is brought to you by DisciplinedForexTrading.com. Let's take a quick look here. Here I have two currency pairs on a chart. The first one, euro dollar, US dollar, and just out of the blue, for instance, let's say we wanted to go short here. We wanted to go short here, euro dollar, US dollar. And let's say that we also had a system that said, hey, listen, what we want to do is we want to go long the US dollar, Swiss franc. So we're feeling better about this because we've got two different trades, two different systems, two different currency pairs. So we're feeling, wow, we should be reducing our risk because we are diversifying. We're trading some different things here. Let's move along and see what effect this would have. Just again, in this example, we're moving along. And let's just say we were short. Initially, we're looking fine. But as things move along here, this is just a very crude example of how things can happen. What we've effectively done by going short here, going long here, is we have effectively doubled our risk and not reduced our risk because of the way that these two currency pairs are correlated. These are negatively correlated, and what that means is that when the euro dollar US dollar goes up, the US dollar Swiss franc goes down by a certain amount. Now that particular ratio, that whole thing's called a correlation coefficient, and it's very, very important to know how the various currency pairs are correlated before you start to trade them in an attempt to reduce risk using diversification. Warren Buffett once said that wide diversification is only required when investors do not understand what they are doing. And sometimes when people don't understand what they are doing, they believe that trading in more than one currency pair using more than one Forex trading system actually and ineffectively reduces their risk. But it doesn't effectively reduce risk in all situations. So that's just something for you to be aware of as we debunk Forex myth number 2. Diversification reduces risk, which we can quite obviously see in all cases it most certainly does not. Thank you again for this Forex trading tutorial sponsored by Disciplined Forex Trading.